Welcome everyone, my name is Michael. Today is the last day of the 5-day Flip Cup event here on Michael's Making Stuff, and I figured I would just end this event by going as big as possible. I mean, not canvas size wise, but dramatic, okay? I haven't used it in a while. This pour will feature silicone. There is silicone in each one of the colors, one drop each in each of the colors, not in the black and the white, not in the metallics, because you're going to see what we're going to do. Probably most of you that know me well enough know exactly what kind of pour you're going to get here. But we are going to do 5 flip cups. It's going to be pretty cool. All the colors are down in the description. And guys, thank you for hanging out for these 5 days. And thank you for enjoying all these flip cups. I hope you're doing them all at home. I tried to give it a little bit of variety so to give you different ideas to do at home. And with that being said, I do want to jump right in here because this is so awesome. Get to layer 5 cups is so much fun for me. All right, let's do this, guys. Put some nice music on. We're going to layer these cups. And you know what? I will see you on the other side. Let's go. Everyone, I am back in here, and you know it, I say it every single time, I love layering cups, and being able to layer 5 cups in this specific pattern is really cool. You guys know what I'm going to do here. I'm going to put the metallics this way, okay, and I'll put the 2 colors this way, so hopefully we'll have some dramatic effects with the cells in here, because these do not have the silicone in it, so it should not be as dramatic, it should be more subtle. Let's save the drama for the 2 colors. All right. Whew. For me, really, that takes a very long time, but here I will speed it up, and that way that is not as long. But yeah, it does take a long time. And I didn't need to fill these cups. These are pretty big cups. This is only a 10 by 20, so there was no need. I just didn't have smaller cups for this situation. All right. With that being said, guys, you know what we're going to do here. You know this is going to look great. And I'm going to say it again. Hang out for a while, because I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, everyone, we're coming down with this baby right here. Woo! She is beautiful. I love it. Oh, I can't wait to show you guys the close-up. This is so nice. It's exactly how you'd want this to come out. It really is. It just what you needed to do with those flip cups. I hope everybody tries this at home. It's very easy to do. You can see how much more dramatic all that silicone, even just those one drop in each color, really just pushes it. It just pushes those cells out, huh? Wow. Yeah, I haven't used that in a while, huh? All right, so, clean it up a little. Ooh, very messy, very messy. A lot of paint on that one. I might have went a little bit too wide. I would have liked a little bit more narrow bands. I don't mind this swooshy effect. Sometimes I come back a couple days later and I'm like, oh, why didn't I make it straight? But and then I like look at it and I'm like, oh, I love this. This is nice. That's gonna happen with this painting. I'm gonna love this painting pretty quickly after it starts, especially if it sits here for like a day or two. Pop some of these bubbles here and try to generate some more cells. All right, everybody. Whew. Thank you guys for hanging out for this big event here. I know it was just me, just a solo event, just me doing this because I love flip cups, and I figure what a way to start. What a way to start the school year and end the summer with some great flip cups for everybody to watch and hopefully do at home, because it's very easy. Very, very easy. All right, everyone. I just want to thank you for spending some time with me, hanging out, watching the videos, and I'll tell you what, We're gonna go into some nice music. We're gonna go in for that close-up because this is gonna be great. And I will see you all later. Bye.